Hey, Ev.
Look at my plaid stripes combo. Is it nice on camera? Stylish.
Oh, yeah.
This is the newest style, plaid stripes. Evan, come show them the balls over here. Come on, Evan. We're going to go play.
Evan, are you going to go play with them? Go get them. Come on, Ev. Let's go over there. Come on.
Evan, come on. Maybe if you come over, he'll follow. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Here you go. Evan, come on, hon. Yes. Be Grant. What? Oh, it doesn't matter. If you want to.
Well, I mean, y'all, you're going to go get it, right?
I mean, we can. If y'all feed the boys, we'll go around and pick it up. Is that okay, Beth? It's fine.
Okay.
Do a pizza joint.
Hey, Grant.
What do we
Can you
want?
say hi?
Pepperoni or?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's fine.
That's not going to feel good on your feet.
I don't know. It depends on how many they... Yeah, ask them how many slices.
Ouch.
Mosquito in the head.
I know.
All right, go show those to Grant. Said James. You go swing? Oh, that'll be super cute. Come on. Well, let's go swing. Come on. Come on. Bring your balls. Let's go swing. Come on. Got a ball. Let's go swing. Mosquitoes. Come on, let's go swing. Yeah, they're swarming here. You ready for... Hey guys! Pretty fun?
Yeah, is that fun? I don't know what to think about that, do you?
Evan's like, this is awesome, man. Look at Evan, look at it.
He keeps looking over like, what do you think?
Willie's here.
The doggy came out.
Yeah, Willie's here.
Hey, guys, what does the doggy say?
No, woof woof. Yeah.
What does the doggy say?
Evan, what's the dog say?
Woof.
Evan, what's the doggy say? Okay.
You have to stand behind them, girls. I want to see their babies too. If this is for your parents.
All right. Hey. Bark, bark.
Bark, bark.
Someone's gonna get off.
Whoops.
You want to hold your bucket?
What have you got, Evan?
You want to go get the dog? He's taking a pee-pee right now.
Right behind us. How nice of him.
Oh.
Let's Let's go back in the grass. Where
Evan's
it's
looking real
soft.
tough in his sleeveless shirt and his little diaper.
Willie, come here. Come here, Willie.
You gonna go back and see Evan?
Grant, you don't have shoes on. That's gonna hurt your
Let
foot.
him. Evan walks him all the time.
Oh, he does.
It hurts him. His feet hurt.
Grant's looking at him going, it's woof woof, dude.
Can you catch doggy? Pat him.
Aww.
He ran away.
Grant! Grant!
He's just singing by himself. Careful, Grant. Woof woof. You come back, doggy.
I can't find Grant. There he is.
You're in the unkept part of the yard.
Where's Grant? There he is.
Evan.
Hey, Grant!
Hey, Grant. Evan, say, hey, Grant. Hey, Willie. What's Willie say?
Grant, you stay away from Willie right now.
Oh, yeah. Don't let the swing hit Grant.
And don't let Grant
Pick
get
up
by
Willie's.
Oh, Willie. Did you poop, Will? Thanks. That's great for home videos.
Tell Grant the ball.
Say, well, I don't know, Mom. You know how good I am finished sharing.
Oh.
No, Evan!
What'd he do?
Tried to bite Grant's finger.
Oh. We eat food, not people.
One for Evan. Two for Evan.
Don't you fall off, Grant.
Give Grant a kiss.
Oh, that's
Thank
nice.
you. Grant's like, out of here.
He just tried to bite
You
me.
can't kiss and make it that easy.
Come on, Evan. Be nice.
Did they walk in with grass?
Yeah.
Ricky,
Grant, what you doing?
Right now, because if we don't, it burns.
This is the wedding grass. Here, Grant. Here's
Grant.
one for you. Here, Grant. Grant, look. Grant,
Do you want this?
come here.
See, doesn't the grass feel better on your feet?
I keep trying to get like close-up face shots of Grant. Every time I get in close, he takes off. There's one. Hey, Grant. Nope. Hey, Grant.
Evan's got a bug bite on his forehead. Bobo, right.
And Heather's modeling the latest in fashion.
Mixing plaids and stripes.
Stripes and plaids are very in.
It's a hot new look.
No, it might be. They're the right colors anyway. I've got that going for me.
So if you're dizzy, it's not because I'm moving the camera.
I wonder if I got another bug bite on my ankle or my foot's just itching really bad. I'm guessing.
I got two before I put that bug spray on. It must have
This
been
is
like
the
in
time of
front the
night.
house.
Yeah. Look at what's Willie doing.
Really scratching his back. Careful.
Careful.
Careful. Easy.
Hey, Grant, come and look. Willie's laying down.
Easy.
Willie's going, get away from me, I'm old.